is a Lakewood model 10/PBX. This is a very, very rare fan. This is from 1991. Got this from my grandparents' house. I found it in their closet, and they said I can have it. Can't really see the blades well, so there it is. Anyway, this is really not that powerful fan. And look at the switch design right here. See? Right there. That's the switch. And here. There we go. That'd be hard. That's my Lakewood for you. It's in okay condition, just a little dusty. The switch cap got broken off. I'm trying to find some switch caps to put on it. Not all of them are too short. But yeah. Subscribe and leave a comment.